Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever wanted to seamlessly bring your data into Notion, whether it's a CSV you exported from Excel or a project list you keep in another app, today's tutorial is going to be exactly what you need. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to import data into Notion like a pro, setting yourself up for faster workflows and more organized databases in 2025 and beyond. Let's get right into it. So the first thing you're going to do is open the Notion workspace where you want your new data to live. Make sure you're in the right page or create a new one if you want the data to start fresh. Now, look up in the top right corner of the screen. You'll spot an icon with 3 little dots. That's the Options menu. Go ahead and give it a click. It's one of Notion's main hubs for all sorts of page operations, so it's good to remember where it lives. From here, you'll notice a bunch of choices pop up. The one we want today is Import. It's usually a few options down, but don't worry if you have to scan for a second. Click Import, and now Notion will open a window with a variety of file types and platforms you can bring in. There's support for CSV, Excel, even files from apps like Trello or Asana. For most folks, CSV is the most common. Maybe you exported your contacts, tasks, or notes from another app, so let's walk through that. Choose CSV from the list. Then you'll be prompted to search for the CSV file on your device. If you're brand new to importing files, this part might feel a bit techy, but it's really just selecting a file the same way you'd attach a photo to an email. Navigate to where your CSV lives. Maybe it's in your Downloads folder or the desktop, and select it. If you have a ton of files and it feels overwhelming, remember to use the search bar or sort by date to make it easier. Sometimes the little details save a lot of time. Next up, Notion wants to be sure that your CSV fields match up the way you expect. This is the Map CSV header step. Think of this as matching up the labels at the top of your spreadsheet, like name, due date, or status, with the corresponding database properties in Notion. This mapping step really matters because it ensures your data will actually make sense when it lands in Notion. You don't want your dates showing up as plain text or your project titles ending up in the wrong column. Take a careful look and double-check that each CSV header is mapped to the correct Notion column. If something looks off, don't worry. Notion's pretty forgiving. You can always tweak the database after you import. Once you've double-checked those headers, hit the Import button and let Notion do its thing. Depending on the size of your file, this might take a couple moments. You might even see a little progress bar. If your data feels like it's taking a while, don't stress. Big files just need a little extra patience. And that's it. You should see your data show up inside your Notion page, organized in database format. From here, you can start sorting, filtering, or even adding views. It's super satisfying to see all your info integrated and easy to manage moving forward. If this video helped you make sense of importing data into Notion, drop a like. It really helps out. Got a tricky file or questions about mapping headers? Leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. And if you want more clear, step-by-step guides like this, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.